3, 2, 1.
What is the standard unit of electrical resistance? The answer is A, ohm. What is the word for a group of hounds? The answer is C, a pack. What is beneath the cerebrum and includes the thalamus and hypothalamus? The answer is C, diencephalon. What does the word principle mean? The answer is C, main. What kind of character did Jack Nicholson portray in the movie Terms of Endearment? The answer is A, a retired astronaut. What type of compound has the formula NgCO3? The answer is B, base. Who played the role of Dr. House on House MD? The answer is D, Robert House. One of Zeus' lovers was Io. What kind of animal did Io turn into when she tried to avoid detection? The answer is C, cow. Which item helps to correct mistakes on paper? The answer is A, eraser. What is used to measure a golfer's score? The answer is D, T. What is the smallest particle known to exist? The answer is B, quark. What provides a protective covering for the body and helps maintain homeostasis? The answer is B, integumentary system. What is a financial crisis characterized by the failure of many banks and financial institutions called? The answer is D, bank run. What wears a shirt but doesn't use it for cover? The answer is C, puppet. Who portrayed the leader of the organization Control in the sitcom Get Smart? The answer is D, Edward Platt. In Cheech and Chong's movie Up in Smoke, Tom Skerritt plays Cheech's cousin, Strawberry. What did Cheech tell Chong not to do before he introduced him to Strawberry? The answer is C, not to stare at his birthmark. Which fruit is also known as a palm? The answer is A, apple. From 1819 to 1839, Vandalia, the county seat of Fayette County, was the capital of which state? The answer is A, Illinois. Alternative current is produced when a magnet or coil does what? The answer is C, moves back and forth repeatedly. What's the capital of England? The answer is A. London. In Stranger Things, what is the name of the alternate dimension full of monsters? The answer is A. The Upside Down. Who holds the record for longest time spent in a water-filled coffin? The answer is B. Uri Geller, 66 hours. The harmonica is also known by what common name? The answer is D. Mouth organ. What tool cuts through metal? The answer is C. Saw. Which philosopher famously said, "I would never die for my beliefs because I might be wrong"? The answer is B. Bertrand Russell. What disorder does Sam's best friend Ifty have in the movie I Am Sam? The answer is D. Attention deficit disorder. Which continent is the smallest in size? The answer is C. Australia. The forbidden fruit in the Bible is believed to be a type of what? The answer is B. Fig. Kendall studied the ways in which human body systems work together. He compared the respiratory and circulatory systems. In which way are these two systems similar to each other? The answer is A. They both bring oxygen to the body. What is the most widely spoken language in Africa? The answer is C. Swahili. Which of these countries does not have a Don River flowing through it? The answer is C. Italy. Which organelle is responsible for waste disposal? The answer is A. Lysosome. What is a keyboard's main component? The answer is A. Keys. What year did the first Apple iPhone release? The answer is C. 1991. Which likely would suffer in the Arctic? The answer is B. A lion. What is a continuous flow of electric charge called? The answer is A. Electric current. As part of Easter celebrations, Easter fires are traditionally lit in what location? The answer is C. Out in the open. What is defined as force per unit area? The answer is D. Pressure. In what country is Kure Otta's character, Emily, when she awakens in her room and finds a bouquet of wild orchids? The answer is B. Brazil. What do you call the space around a charged particle where the particle exerts electric force on other charged particles? The answer is A, electric field. What is the study of human thought, emotions, and behavior called? The answer is B, psychology. What is the process of action potentials in myelinated axons jumping between the nodes of Ranvier called? The answer is C, saltatory conduction. What is it that goes up and never comes down?
The answer is D, time.
Which website was launched in 1990, initially for research purposes? The answer is D, www. With a shape that specially suits its function of sending nerve signals to other cells, the human nerve cell is an example of what? The answer is A, specialization. Which company developed the first commercial computer?
The answer is A, IBM.
Where is the radial artery located? The answer is D, forearm. Which of the following planets is not named after a Roman god? The answer is B, Uranus. What does a level ensure? The answer is D, horizontal. Amplitude describes what about the wave's crest and trough?